Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some fishbowl bead slime. As you see here, we're going to be making a purple slime. Well, fishbowl slime. So for this you'll be needing, fishbowl beads. If this focuses, they're clear. You'll be needing a bowl, mixing tool, some paint or details. You'll be needing glue, baking soda, and contact lens solution. So what you want to start doing is pour out your glue. It just kind of went on me. Add as much as you want. I think I'm really no, I'm not. Okay, that's enough. Because last time I added so much that it took me like an hour to mix in the activator. So then you want to add 2 pinches or 3 of baking soda. 1, 2. I add 2 because that's how it forms. But sometimes it can get kind of watery after you add activator, but you just have to activate and make it just watery, then add your baking soda. And yeah, you just want to mix your baking soda in. There's some on my finger. And then you want to add your activator in. I'm going to keep it to here so I can reach out. So you just want to keep activating until it's your slime texture. Also, this is an easier way. If you add baking soda with the activator, it can get a bit. Also, didn't tell you, I'm going to add lotion. Don't be adding too much, not like 5 pumps, 2 drops or 1. And it will kind of color your slime, so that's why you should add food coloring. Not now when you're making it. It's kind of getting clumpy. Just activate it. And add a tiny bit of baking soda. That's about 2 drops or 1. So yeah, when it's ready, you can knead it, and yeah. Okay, so it's ready. It's kind of sticky because it was just made. Okay, let's add in the paint. Gonna open it. Oh, I want it to be kind of a light color, so the fishbowl oh, that's so pretty. Oh wow. I'm gonna just mix it up properly. Okay, so it's ready now. Sorry. Let's add in our fish bowls. When you're adding them, I recommend putting some on your desk. And don't be adding too much because I just realized something yesterday. If you add too much, your beads will start falling out eventually. Now you want to mix them up. This is a lotion slime. So yeah, you can add more now. That should be enough. Just don't want to add too much so the beads don't fall. And you got your final look. Sorry, I couldn't pop it. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this fishbowl bead slime tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Bye, guys!